Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you will consider subscribing to the channel, especially if you enjoy this walkthrough and if you like shop with me videos. So I'm just going to be showing you some of their updated showrooms and some of their newer showrooms since the last time that we went to IKEA. And if you haven't seen those videos, I'll make sure I link that down below in the description box. But yeah, I made sure I did not get any repeats. If I did, please forgive me, charge it to my mind. But yeah. It was a lot of people in here on this day. I went on a Saturday, so I tried to just kind of film the room kind of quickly and move on so that other people could get in there. And that's why this video is shorter than my usual videos. And I did not really focus on the pricing so much, just really the setup of the room, just give you guys a little bit of inspiration. But I will tell you, towards the end of the video, I did get some prices of some things. I was actually downstairs where the goods are, where you pick up, your items. And they had a few little decorated areas there, and it wasn't as crowded down there because, people were able to get what they wanted and move along. So I was able to get a couple of prices on like some baskets and things like that downstairs. But anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed, like the video, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this video. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.